Hey guys, it's Kristen. I was just here to explain the Twitter chat that I participated in. This is actually the first time I've ever really explored Twitter, so it's all new to me. The group that I joined was #2pencilchat, which I thought was kind of clever. I chose it mainly because of my availability and when they were actually holding their chat, which was a Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock, and it lasted for an hour. I really wanted to participate in the Della chat, which is on Thursdays, but unfortunately I have another course on Thursday nights, so I'm unable to participate in that group chat at that time. So share something I learned. I learned so much in this hour chat with all of these educators. First off, they're fun. They send memes, little videos, pictures, and they seem like genuine people. So the main idea for the chat tonight was like different surprises that you get as a teacher. So I'm just going to read off the 5 questions that the facilitator asked. The first one is, what did you find out on becoming an educator that you totally were not expecting? The second one was, what are some ways you've surprised yourself since becoming an educator? 3, what are the best ways to surprise students? 4, how have students surprised you the most? And 5, in the world of education, what just doesn't surprise you anymore? So it was really cool to see kind of what other teachers said to answer these questions. A lot of them made it seem like, they like to try new things, random dance parties, special treats to surprise their students. When they were talking about some ways that they've surprised themselves as educators, a lot of them were talking about how they didn't realize how patient they were or something like that. And my answer to that question was that I surprised myself at how big of a reflective teacher I am. I feel like I've always had like a reflective personality, but now that I'm in education and this is my career, it really shows. I feel as though I'm very reflective in my practice and what I do and what can I do to make things better. So, these educators in this chat, they're fun, they were all welcoming, they all talk about so many different things. So it's really difficult to say what I learned because there was just so much happening, but it was nice to get positive comments and feedback and just kind of be in a positive atmosphere for an hour about something that we all love to do. So what are my thoughts about Twitter chats? I think this was super cool. Like I said before, this is the first time I'd ever used Twitter, really explored it. I think I would totally participate in this Twitter chat again, and even look for other ones that might be interesting as well. This specific one happens every Tuesday evening. Overall, I think it's a really cool idea, and it's a nice place for people to come together and talk about things that reflect on them as a teacher, and maybe get ideas from other educators who you may never actually meet, but they might have some amazing ideas. One way that I might use a Twitter chat with my students or colleagues, because I teach second grade, I definitely think that this might not be ideal for them. I mean, typing to respond quickly, it might not go as smooth as what this chat did this evening. I definitely think that this could be beneficial in meetings or PDs or even communicating with parents, just having an ongoing chat about things happening in the classroom, or like I said, PDs, updates for like school-wide events, that sort of thing. Just an ongoing chat could be beneficial instead of, an email being sent from one person and someone else not being able to fully understand what the email is about. This would be a good way to really dig deep into the things that the, I guess, facilitator wants everyone to know. And I don't know. I think that it was a really good experience. The first time I've ever explored it. And I think I'll definitely keep this in mind whenever I may need to, hold a chat with a group of people. And I'll definitely be back on TweetDeck to check out this chat and other chats again. All right, thanks. Bye.